Hello, welcome to watching how to operate postcode machine correctly. Our manufacturer have two kinds of condenser for the postcode machine. One is air condenser, the other one is water condenser. Let me show you. This one is air cooling of mode. Number is PM05 postcode machine. Machine should be located in ventilation. The surrounding temperature should be always be lower than 28 centigrade. Otherwise, the machine will have to bring out gas, heavy pressure, and production period should be deviant. Let me show you how to make a brine. The brine is made of salt and water. Until the salt is dissolved. Fill the brine into the tank. This one is Bombay hydrometer. Please make sure the consistency should be 28% to 30%. Let's start working machine. First, the green button is turned on. Compressor and the beater of the brine container is starting. Please make sure the beater bearing is supposed to be crosswise. On the other hand, pay attention. For water cooling units, the condenser should be connected with cooling waters. As cooler as better. Water temperature should always lower than 28 centigrade. Then have a water pipe to connect it with water pump that combined with water tower. That means that water condensers of press-cooling machine could be working. This is PM18 as harder ice cream machine. 1 hour can production 40 liters harder ice cream. The cylinder capacity is 10 liters. How to make the harder ice cream material? Let me show you. 3 kilograms cool water. 1.5 kilograms harder ice cream powder. Put the powder in cool water to mix. Mix well until cooling is shown and allow the liquid to rest in 15 minutes in order to achieve a natural aging result. The mix is now ready for production. Material into stirrer jar. Press the power button. The machine is running. It's time setting button. To set the production time 15 minutes. The button is add. This button is reduce. We will be according to different material and environmental capital to adjust. button to confirm, and then press the production button. The material is working. When powder ice cream ready, and machine is stopped. Press the green button. Open the outlet. Discharge powder ice cream. As for the postcode material, they have water, starch, fluoric acid, pigment. This one is postcode mold. The mold has including up mold and down mold. They have 30 pieces on one set. Fasten the stick on the up mold. Machine freezing about 2 hours at the first time. After 2 hours, for production of Roscoe and ice cream, first of all the boiling temperature is below 80 degrees, or even lower before the ice balls can cool on. Under normal surrounding temperature, the Roscoe and ice cream stop temperature should be always lower than 30 degrees. Put the whole set of mold into the can. Make sure the mold will froze on the brine. After about 10 minutes, the Roscoe and ice cream has shake out. The time will depend on the size of the mold. Prepare 1/10 of hot water and empty can when the Roscoe almost shake out. After a few seconds, take out the up mold and press the handle. Roscoe will slam down into the empty tank. This one is harder ice cream. At last, using packing machine working is like this. Even ice mold at the buyer's option. Some clients have fried ice mold to make the ice block in whole night. The next morning, they will be sell ice block for fishermen to keeping fish fresh. They could get more money and save power. The green button. The next morning, produce popsicle and ice cream only need about 10 minutes shake up after waiting 1 hour machine fishing. Thank you for watching.